Hey IELTS warriors, are you feeling stuck when it comes to IELTS Writing Task 2 topics about artificial intelligence and technology? Today we are going to break down everything you need to know to tackle these essays with confidence. From structuring your essays to high-level vocabulary and providing solid examples, this video will give you the tools to boost your band score. So stick with me by the end. You will have a clear strategy for writing an engaging, well-structured essay on AI and technology. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to IELTS Maximum by Hamza, your go-to place to unlock your success. Let's face it, AI and technology are the hottest topics in today's world. Did you know that experts predict AI could transform up to 40% of the workforce by 2030? So this makes it a very favorite topic in IELTS Writing Task 2. Whether you are asked about the benefits and drawbacks of AI or to give your opinion on its impact on the society, it's crucial to have a strong plan. In this video, I'll share with you the tips and sample structure to help you craft an essay that is clear, engaging, and impresses the examiner. So the section 1 of this video is about understanding the task. First, let's quickly review what IELTS Writing Task 2 expects from you. You will typically need to present an argument, discuss both sides of an issue, or give your opinion. When it comes to artificial intelligence, you might be asked questions like these. Some people believe that AI may have a positive impact on our lives, while others worry about its negative consequences. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Second is, to what extent do you agree or disagree that technological advancement will change the human life for a better? So for any of these questions, your essay need to have a clear introduction, body paragraphs with examples and explanations, and a concise conclusion that will wrap up your argument. In section 2 of this video, I will tell you about how you can structure your essay. So first thing first, introduction. You should always start with a hook or a striking fact. For example, in today's world, the artificial intelligence is reshaping the world around us. Second thing is provide a brief background of the topic. Third thing is that clearly state your thesis or your opinion about the topic. Second thing is that body paragraph number 1. Second thing is body paragraph number 1 in which you can state the advantages of AI. You should always start with a topic sentence. For example, one of the major benefits of AI is its potential to boost efficiency and innovation. Include specific examples. You might mention how AI-based healthcare systems are improving the public health overall by improving the diagnostic accuracy, or how automation increases productivity in various industries. So the third heading is about body paragraph number 2, in which you need to discuss about the drawbacks of AI and technology. You should begin with a sentence such as, despite these benefits, there are significant concerns about ethical and social implication of AI. In this paragraph, discuss issues like job replacement, privacy concerns, or the risk of biasness in AI algorithms. Support your points with examples or data, like the debate of AI replacing human jobs. At fourth point of this video, you need to write about the conclusion. In conclusion, summarize the key points, restate your opinions clearly. Optionally, you can suggest a balanced approach or call for ethical guidelines in AI development. So in the section 3 of this video, I'm going to talk about the vocabulary and examples. Using precise and specific vocabulary can raise your band score from this to this. Here are some useful phrases which you guys can use in your essays. You can use artificial intelligence or automation instead of the word computers. Words like transformative, innovative, and disruptive to describe the technological advances. You can use the phrases such as job displacement or ethical concerns and data privacy concerns when you are talking about the potential negative outcomes of AI and technology. For instance, you could write, although AI can revolutionize these sectors like healthcare by enhancing diagnostic accuracy. It also raises ethical dilemmas about privacy and job security. See how this line is well equipped with those sort of vocabulary which is specific against your topic. This sentence not only equipped with high level vocabulary, but the main thing is that it is also equipped with a balanced approach which is required when it comes to high scoring band 9 essays. So the section 4 of this video is about tips for writing and planning. First thing is plan your ideas. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes in outlining your major ideas. This will help you to organize your thoughts and ensure that you address every part of the question. Second thing is practice using model essays. Read sample essays on AI topics to see how successful candidates structure their argument. Last thing is proofread. Always leave about 5 to 7 minutes at the end of your time for grammatical mistakes check and to make sure your ideas flow smoothly. So to sum up about AI and technology, when you are writing an essay on this topic, you need to use a clear introduction with an engaging body paragraphs with correct examples, and don't forget to add a concise conclusion at the end which clearly state your opinion and your thoughts about the topic. Incorporate advanced vocabulary and specific examples. Practice planning and proofreading for highest band score. So I hope these tips are very helpful when it comes to the essays like AI and technology and all other related essays. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to push the bell icon for regular updates, because we are doing a lot of efforts and research in making these videos for you guys so that you can achieve your success. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.